Good afternoon everyone. Today we are presenting before you some spices which are used in our kitchen. Let's see benefits of spice. Hi, my name is Tomasi. I am helpful in digestion and help cure sleeplessness.
Hi, my name is Black Pepper. I am helpful in digestion. I can also give relief from body pain. Hi, my name is Asifida. I am used to release gas from your tummy.
Hi, my name is Cardam. I am helpful in digestion and curing bad breath.
Hi, my name is Ikro. I give relief in toothache. I can improve sleep health.
My name is Fanny Greek. I help in controlling sugar level. I am also used controlling weight. Hi, my name is Fennel Seed. I am helpful in digestion. You can take me after me.